Hello everyone and welcome back to Unboxing Under 2. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Llano p12 Universal Tablet and iPad stand. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Your support helps us continue to bring you informative and helpful videos, and we appreciate your time and engagement. So, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest and greatest unbox videos. The Llano p12 is designed to be compatible with most tablets and iPads, so it's perfect for everyone who uses these devices. Let's take a closer look. The Llano p12 Universal Tablet and iPad stand can be extremely useful for several reasons. First and foremost, it provides a comfortable and stable platform for you to use your tablet or iPad, whether you're watching videos, reading, or working. This can help reduce neck and eye strain, as you don't have to hold your device in your hands or prop it up on an unstable surface. The Llano p12 has an adjustable arm, so you can find the perfect angle for your device. The stand also has non-slip grips on the bottom and sides, so your tablet or iPad will stay in place, even when you tap or swipe the screen. So, what are the benefits of using the Llano p12 Universal Tablet and iPad stand? First, it provides a comfortable and stable platform for you to use your tablet or iPad, reducing neck and eye strain. You can easily adjust the angle of the stand to find the most comfortable viewing position, and the non-slip grips will keep your device in place. Second, the Llano p12 is versatile and compatible with most tablets and iPads, so it's a great investment for anyone who uses these devices regularly. You can use it with your current device, or with future devices you may purchase. This stand is designed to hold your tablet or iPad in a comfortable and stable position, making it perfect for work, entertainment, or reading. Finally, the sleek design of the Llano p12 makes it a stylish addition to your desk or table. It's a practical accessory that can help you get the most out of your tablet or iPad, while also enhancing your work or entertainment setup. The Llano p12 Universal Tablet and iPad stand is a must-have accessory for anyone who uses a tablet or iPad regularly. It provides a comfortable and stable platform, protects your device, is versatile, and looks great on your desk or table. So, make sure to check it out and take your tablet or iPad experience to the next level. Don't forget, if you found this video informative and helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest and greatest products and unbox videos. So, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below to let us know what you think of the Llano p12 Universal Tablet and iPad stand. And as always, thank you for watching.